It seems like the river is busy today. Another small ship is passing by.
You got
Look at
dinner?
that, guys. Look at that, guys. It's another sight to behold. He got a catfish. This is rare, man. We're gonna go home now. We're gonna clean them, and we're gonna curry them, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hey, my amazing people. How are you guys doing today? Well, it's a beautiful afternoon, guys. Just a beautiful afternoon. And a beautiful afternoon to go see if we can catch some catfish. I'm here with my buddy at the waterfront, and we're going to try to catch some fish today. It's been a long time, guys. Too long. The protocols are eased up a bit. No more lockdown. So the fishes should be out swimming now. So let's see if we can catch some fish, guys. Let's go, guys. Just look at the beautiful afternoon, guys. I'm here now at the waterfront. Look at the beauty of the river. Oh, there's a boat there. The tide is in at the moment, so that means that the fishes are swimming inland now. At least that's a theory. Look at the bridge there, guys. It seems like the river is busy today. Another small ship is passing by. Okay, guys, so here we are. Fishing.
Shrimp in the bucket.
Shrimp in the bucket. Well, the guy got something. He got something there. Nice.
Okay, good.
Oh, that's a good size, yeah?
Very nice. Very nice.
Hey.
They're very big.
Looking good.
You got
Look at
dinner?
that, guys. Look at that, guys.
At dinner?
Aye? No. Let me see. Nice. Alright, guys. This is how you put a shrimp on a hook. Don't try this at home, guys. Here you go. Okay, coming off. Okay, guys, try this again. There she goes. All right, I got it. Here, guys, got him.
Pliers to clip the bones in the two sides and at the back. Yeah.
This thing is serious.
They can go very far.
I got pliers in my back. No, I got pliers in my back.
Your partner?
I'm trying to get it out.
Just like what you hope man for you. Yeah. I think you get it.
Look, another ship is coming in there again. There's a lot of ships on the river today, guys. It's just beautiful scene, guys. Look at that sun, they're going down. Man, look at that. Oh, may tigi yung.
Get my picture, man.
Look at that, guys. Yeah, look at that, guys. My buddy just caught a fish there. Woo!
Boy, man.
I don't know if you guys can look in the distance there. Right there. You can see a fire lighting there. That's the oil refinery. That's Oli, States Oil. What? Got a small one?
Oh, that's a really big one.
It's a catfish? Oh, no, no, no.
This is number 5.
Look at the lovely sunset, guys. Look at that beautiful sunset. Isn't that a sight to behold? It's beautiful, guys. We have our rods here. Of mine here. Sun finally setting behind a boat. Oh, look at that beautiful sight, guys. And as the sun disappears in the sky, you can see the lights in the distance. You can see the bridge there. I know if you look across the river, that's the fire on the by the oil refinery. That's Oli, State Oil. But that's not over the river, guys. That's in Dumburg, Lakefell. Look at the beauty out there. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. That's why I love fishing. Stress free. You look at the water, enjoy the calm waves, fish biting the hook. That's the life, guys. That's the life. Up there, guys. The guy Richard is on the hook this time. Oh, look at him work. Look at his muscles. That's a big one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, he lost it. Shoot, man.
Oh, it was really there.
Shoot,
It was
man.
really there. And then
Okay, Richard.
nothing.
Anyway,
Got a
that's the
good
one.
nibble on it.
That's the one I got away.
Yeah, yeah.
Really smart now. With the current as well. When you really
Oh, ho, ho, ho.
start for sure.
This time for sure.
Yeah,
This
yeah.
time for sure. The guy, look at his muscles. Look at the muscles pulling there.
Working hard. Oh,
He's
yeah,
working
there
hard. Oh, there
okay,
you
little
go.
guy. Okay, come
That's a
on.
catfish. He got a catfish. This is rare, man. That's a rare
Oh, look
thing.
at this fish, Richard. The fins are different.
Yeah, this is a catfish. This is a very sweet fish, guy.
See, the fins are longer.
Yeah, but it's a small though. She got him. You got him. You got him.
Careful, eh?
Yeah, careful.
No, sharp. Huh?
Yeah, they're very sharp.
Yeah, this one has a lot of things going
Look at
on.
this. This is what we would call catfish. You
That's
see
like-
that? You see?
Mm-hmm.
It's a different species. They're all catfish, but this specifically we would call, when we say a catfish in Guyana, we meant this type of fish. With a
Because of all the
with a
whiskers.
very long one.
Yeah, almost looks like the
But
wings.
it's a species of catfish, but specifically we would call this catfish.
Look at the horizon in the distance. It's not a beautiful sight, guys. Okay. Still got my rod out here.
I'm happy.
Do we move or we stay?
Yeah. Well, if you're gonna cook, you gotta move.
Yeah, when it's cooked,
Yeah. Well, you got it first and you got it last.
All right. Okay, guys, we're gonna go prepare these fishes, clean them, put them in a nice curry, fish curry. Okay, guys, that was it. Not a bad afternoon. Hey guys, you see us catching the fishes here at the waterfront. We got like about 8 or 9. We're gonna go home now. We're gonna clean them and we're gonna curry them, guys. We're gonna make a nice fish curry. So stay tuned, guys. Here, it's beautiful, guys. Look at that. Okay, guys, you saw us catch the fish. Now we're cleaning them. There's some small ones in the bucket. There's some big ones off the board there. So my body's cleaning them right now. Oh, that's a kubi. Fish eggs. Okay, guys, so we're gonna clean these fishes. We're gonna prepare them, wash them, and we're gonna prepare the seasoning, the masala, and everything. And then we're gonna curry these guys. The fishes are clean. Look them there. Wash with lime, scrub, clean. So I'm gonna put on the pot now. So guys, we had an awesome afternoon. We had a great time. It's a beautiful afternoon. We got like about 9 fishes, came home, we cleaned them, washed them, we're gonna cook them now. Can't get any fresher than that, guys. Can't get any fresher than that. That's how we do it in Suriname. Stay tuned, guys. The usual garlic, onion, pepper, green seasoning, all grind together. I just throw some Maggi powder in here. Yeah. I'll put some of the curry powder inside now, guys. One. Okay, 2 spoons for now. Just gonna do a chunky here now, guys. This is gonna be a good curry fish, guys. Ian, just like you, my friend, I love fish. I can have fish every single day. We have some tomatoes here to go inside too, guys. So this is gonna fry for a while, and then we're gonna put the fish inside, guys. You can hear the sizzling of that curry there. Okay, guys, so we're gonna spin this up now. And remember, this is a very soft fish, so you don't need to turn this too much because it can get smashed up. Look at that, guys. Amazing. Add some salt to that. Just added some water to that. A little bit of water. Look at that. Look at that golden color, guys. Look. Oh. That's going to be a good fish curry, guys. A good fish curry. I can't believe we just picked up our gears. We went catch some fish and now we're cooking it. That's so amazing. That's what life is about, guys. Take a break. Take a break every now and then. Take a break, guys. Okay, guys. There's some fish egg also. Look. Putting the fish egg in there now. But look at that color. Look at that curry, guys. Look at that curry. So that's going to boil there for a while and then we'll check it back in a bit, guys. And that, my friends, is the finished product. It looks so good. From the Suriname River into the pot, into our stomachs in a bit. Look at that, look at that, look at that, guys, look at that. Look at that. That's Richard's. That's the fish Richard caught. But that's the egg. Yeah, I know.
Richard is breathing heavy.
Why?
Because you guys don't have food already.
It's exciting. It's exciting.
Good? From the Suriname River in our plate, in our bellies.
Very, very good.
Very good. Okay, Richard, your turn now.
Okay, exciting.
Okay,
Where do I
exciting.
start? Where do I start?
Well, you can
Leave
just...
the egg for last.
Well, you can whatever.
Okay. Okay. Let's start with this.
Yeah, you have to look for those bones.
Mm,
But they're not small bones, I mean.
very tasty. It is tasty. It's very tasty.
Yeah, that's a Suriname catfish. Having it for dinner now. It's good, guys. That's a good masala curry. That's a good fish. Richard, it's good, eh?
Hey, fresher than fresh.
Can't get fresher than this. Fresher than fresh.
Mm.
You tried the egg?
Oh.
Try the egg. The egg should be delicious.
Mm.
It's good.
It's lekker, yeah. There's some texture to it. Yeah. I thought it would like pop or something, but
It's lekker.
yeah, it's good. Goeie proeven.
Sharon?
It's een beetje spicy, denk ik, voor jou.
It's good, guys. But that was fun, guys. We had a good time today. So, we end the evening in a fish curry dinner together. I'm glad you guys came along with us. And I'm glad you guys were with us today. We caught the fishes. We'll enjoy our dinner. We'll continue. Thank you guys for joining us on this vlog. And I know you'll like this video. And if you do, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and share. And I'll catch you in the other video. You guys take care. Bye for now, guys.